Enjoy the presentation tour. There are 5 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 1 half bathroom and 1 3/4 bathroom in this spacious 4,202 square foot listing. To arrange a time to stop by and view this listing, or if you would like more information, please contact 763-559-4990. That's 763-559-4990. Thank you for your interest in this listing and enjoy the presentation tour.